Good morning, dear student. How are you, student? I hope that you are well at your home. So, student, your first chapter from computer subject is completed. Yes, fundamental computer. So, with question answer. So, I think that you learn all question answer from chapter 1 fundamental computer. Okay, so your next chapter we shall start today, and your second chapter is pivot table and chart in Excel. Okay, student, pivot table and chart in Excel. So student, you know that what's read about the which software. So your chapter name is pivot table and chart in Excel. So that's chapter name indicated also. That's which software you read. You will read Excel, MS Excel. Okay. So pivot table and chart related with the Excel software. Okay, not MS Word and PowerPoint. In Excel, you create the pivot table and chart. So, in this chapter, student, we shall learn many topic covered with this chapter. So, first introduction to spreadsheet. First introduction of spreadsheet. So student, you know that spreadsheet is related with the Excel software. Okay, yes. And your second, analyze data with a pivot table. Analyze with data with a pivot table. Analyze data with a pivot table. And third topic we will cover with this chapter, modify pivot table data. Modify pivot table data. Okay, student. And fourth topic, change layout of pivot table. Change layout of pivot table. Okay, student. And your fifth topic, create a pivot table. Create a pivot table. And last, insert slicer in pivot table and chart. Insert slicer in pivot table and chart. In pivot table and chart. Okay, student? Yes. So here 6 topic you have. You will cover, okay, with chapter 2. pivot table and chart in Excel. So look, first introduction of spreadsheet. Okay student, take the first point. We will take the first point, introduction of spreadsheet. So student, in the previous classes you have learned about MS Excel. Yes student, in previous classes have many chapter related with the MS Excel. Yes, so Excel, which is a spreadsheet, okay, program. Okay, so in other way we can say that Excel is a spreadsheet program. That one. If comes then this name spreadsheet, so spreadsheet related with the MS Excel, okay, not other program. So spreadsheet program, that means MS Excel. So in this chapter you will learn about some advanced feature of spreadsheet. But before moving ahead, let's recap about spreadsheet program. Okay student, yeah, so erase the other one topic and we will take the first topic, introduction of spreadsheet. So just revise about the spreadsheet program. So student, you know that MS Excel program MS Excel, and here minimize, maximize and close button, and here menu bar, and here toolbar, and next line indicate that type. You know student, where the row and where the column. Student, you forget everything about the Excel student. You have done, so that indicate A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, student. So here and here file, view, format, and any other things, and here. So that's many toolbar, and here represent the cell number. So here are many. So this one is a title bar, and this is a control button, student. Okay, and this is a quick access toolbar, quick access toolbar, and this is a menu button, menu bar, and that this is a your control button, toolbar. Okay, and this is a spreadsheet. Okay, and this single box, this all small rectangular box is called cell. Okay, student. Yes. So this is a main point of spreadsheet and Excel program. So student, spreadsheet software allows user to organize data in row and column. Okay student, so that's spreadsheet software allow user to organize data in row and column. Okay student, yeah, so this is a row, this is a column, and this is a row. Okay student, yeah, so that and perform calculation on the data. So this row and column collectively are called worksheet. Okay, row and column collectively are called worksheet. Okay, and here are one line more. Sheet 1 and sheet 2 and sheet 3 and many here. Okay student, yes. So that's spreadsheet software allow user to organize data in row and column. So that's calculation on data. So that's row and column collectively are called worksheet. So spreadsheet software also contain many of the feature found in word processing software. So such as that macro checking, spelling, changing font and font size, and adding colors, tracking changes, inserting audio and video clips. So providing research capabilities, recognize handwritten text and drawings, and creating web page from existing spreadsheet document. Okay, yeah, so spreadsheet files is a similar to a notebook. Okay student, so spreadsheet file is similar to a notebook, so that can contain more than 1000 related individual worksheet. Okay student, yeah, so here the downside above the taskbar line indicated the sheet name, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Okay, so that time you add the worksheet in one MS Excel and Word spreadsheet program, add the 100 related individual worksheet in one MS Excel program. Okay student, yes. So in this line indicate the sheet name, which one you use the sheet number. So that data is organized vertically in column and horizontally in row. So that on each worksheet. So that each worksheet usually can have more than 1600 columns. 1600 columns and 1 million row. Okay, student? Yes. So that's number of column 1600 and row 1 million. Okay, student? 1 million row and 1600 column in one worksheet. Okay, student? Yes, this is near about. Okay, is not exactly number of the row and column in each worksheet. So that one or more letters identify each column and number identify. Okay, student? So that's all column and all number have a identify number. Okay, yes. So no any other way, no any without number of column and not without any name of row, we can say. Okay, yeah. So that in one or more letters identify that each column and number identify each row. So only a small fraction of column and row are visible on the screen at one time. So scrolling through the worksheet display different parts of it on the screen, so that intersect in here. So where intersect between row and column, so that's called cell. Okay, student? Yes. So cell is a intersection between row and column, we can say. Okay, in other language. Yes. So where intersect row and column, that's create a cell. Okay, student? Clear about the cell? So cell a cell is a intersection of row and column. Okay, student? Yes. So that each worksheet has more than 17 billion cells in which you can that they are located. Okay, student? Yeah. So that's 17 billion cell in which you can enter data. How many cells? That's 17 billion cell. You entered the data. So the spreadsheet software identifies cell by the column and row in which they are located. So here, suppose your cell is here. Your active cell is here. So that cell name is C, column name and row 5. So that cell name is C5. So your cell name is C5. Okay, and here your cell is here. So that's column name J and this row name is 7. So that cell G7. Clear about the cell? And how will we identify the cell name by computer? Yes. So that's example intersection of column C and row 2, so referred is cell C2. Okay, so cell can contains three types of data: labels, values and formula. Okay student, yes, so that's cell can contain three types of data: labels, values and formula. Okay, so that's values, formula, and first your labels. Okay student, yes, here are three type contents you fit here. Okay, yes, so what's the label, what's the value and what's the formula? So that's the text are label. The text are label entered in a cell. Okay, and what's the formula? So formula perform calculation on data in the worksheet and display. Okay, and what the value? So value number or value. So label that means text and value that means number, and formula, suppose you entered here in this cell 2 and in this cell 3, and you want that in this cell is sum of that D5 and E5. So you will apply the formula in this cell, so that sum is equal to D2 and D5 plus E5, so is equal to, okay, is equal to sum. You write that number and just press the enter, so that you will got that in this cell number 5. Okay, yeah, so this is a label, value, formula. Text are labels entered in a cell and value are number, and formula perform calculation on the data in worksheet and display the resulting result value in a cell. Okay student, yes, so that's what the function, what the recalculation. So in next class you complete your introduction of spreadsheets verbally, and how will you insert the chart, okay, and that's pivot table, so and analyze that data with pivot table, and that's other topic. Create a new pivot table and modify pivot table, okay, and change the layout of pivot table. So we will read the other topic in the next class. Okay, so please read that introduction of spreadsheet. Thank you so much.